Enjoy the view of the fabulous Hudson River, the Mid Hudson Bridge, and the Walkway Over the Hudson. At this fantastic tastefully renovated 9th floor apartment at the Executive Towers. A high-rise building with a doorperson is one of a kind in the area. Easy, comfortable living at its best. Lots of natural light. Dining area. The sliding glass door to the balcony allows you to enjoy the view from the comfort of your living room. Refinished parquet floor. The beautifully updated unit is very bright and offers great storage space. 4 years young air conditioner units. Bedroom with custom design built-in bookcases. Currently used a family room. With French doors. Lovely shutter stay with unit. Tastefully updated galley kitchen. Light fixtures with fans. French door refrigerator. Gorgeous counter and backsplash. Spacious primary bedroom. With walk-in closet. Custom designed wall for art. Tastefully updated bathroom. Large shower with handrails.